What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to go over a tutorial on how to open up either an individual brokerage account or an IRA brokerage account using Vanguard as my broker. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up the actual account, let you guys know some things you're going to need when opening up the account, and how to navigate through the website. Keep in mind, every broker-dealer like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab have different user interfaces, but for the most part, the services are all pretty much the same. Right now, there's a lot of things going on with Wall Street Bets, GameStop, and the hedge funds, so this is a great time for this video because a lot of people are now getting introduced to the stock market, and they've seen some shady things go on with Robinhood that you won't see at traditional brokers like a Vanguard or a Fidelity. But don't forget that my name is Freddie Finance, and this channel is all about how money works and how to make it work for you. So if you want to learn how to make your money work for you from a real wealth management professional, please hit that like and subscribe button because I'm going to be putting out some great value on this channel. So there's two main things you're going to need when opening up your first investment account, and that is your personal information like your name, address, and social security number, as well as money. So you're going to need to have a bank account and money that you're willing to invest. Now that we have all the things we need to open up this investment account, let's get to it. We're going to want to go to Vanguard.com when we're on our computer. Do this on a computer. I'm on a PC right now. So it's going to take you to this general page, and we're going to want to click Personal Investor because that's what we are. And then this is the main home page of Personal Investor, and we're going to click New Account up here at the top by the gray bar. And then this would be if we're moving assets, let's say, or stocks from Robinhood or another investment company, but we're assuming we're starting out fresh. So we're going to click New Account, and then, like I said, we're going to need our bank information. So we're doing this, we're going to fund this via electronic bank transfer, very easy to set up. And again, we're new here, so we're brand new. Vanguard does a good job of telling us what we need. So read this, make sure you have everything you need, click Continue. And this is where we select the account type we want to first open. So if we want to do an individual retirement account, we would go here and then choose between the Roth and traditional, or if we want to do an individual brokerage account, non-retirement, we would click general investing. So assuming we're opening up our Roth IRA, we click that, and then Roth IRA, and then click Continue. Then it's going to ask us for our personal information. You put that in, click Continue, then it'll ask for your banking information. Once that's all set up and done, then we have our account. Once you're logged on and your account is funded, it's going to take you to this page, which is the account overview page, and it's going to show you the different account types and the name of them. So as you can see here, I have an individual brokerage account and an IRA brokerage account. So this is the main tab that you want to worry about, which is My Accounts. This is all about buying and selling your investments, all the way from the status of them to things related to your account. And Balances and Holdings page is a more detailed version of account overview. Cost basis tells you your capital gains information, capital gains or losses. This shows the capital gains and dividends for the individual investments you own. This is a tab to buy investments. This is an order status page, which is the status of your investment. This is the history of all your investments, and here are the statements where you can get them either monthly, quarterly, or annually. And these three are really good resources to check out your personal performance of your actual account. I love using these three. Here's the tax center where you get your taxes for the year on dividends or capital gains that are realized. Here is your retirement center. This is the message center where you can get forms and other secure messages. Here are some options that we have here for us, for Vanguard, that they give us. And here are your account settings. So that's all about your account here. This tab goes over the investment products Vanguard offers to us. And here are some things that you can learn about. Great resources that Vanguard gives us. I love reading through their resources, and as well as news and perspectives. So that's pretty much the main overview. I recommend you guys open up your own accounts and play through this and do some research and do some learning. So it's pretty simple. May not be as nice. And I also recommend checking out Fidelity or Schwab or any other investment companies that you might consider investing with. Check out their platform, see which one you like best, and then obviously invest there. Those are all the basic things that you need to know about how to navigate through a website all the way up into as simple as opening up the account. So if you guys got some value out of that, learned something new, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be posting more valuable content that's going to help you manage your money better. So get ready.